JNVR stock analysis and JNVR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So as I'm just looking at Janover Incorporated, it is 13% increase in price, which is solid. Before I get into it, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with the most proof documented as well. And all I'm willing to do is just show you the proof of this before prediction and then just where I'm heading next. Right, off a video that was made on 9th of April. There you go. That's the exact one when I made this prediction. And since it has delivered, let me just pull this out. This was made like 5 days ago. Only got 33 views, which is so disheartening, but again, just made it for myself. And since from here, unless there's like a correction, why the heck would I look to buy randomly? You know, there's no reason to. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion on JNVR, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple way. And if you want to make more, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.